Namaste students, welcome back. Myself Sarita Binani and I am your maths teacher in class 5th. We will start chapter number 3. Already we have completed 2 chapters in our previous videos. Now my third chapter is factors and multiples. Everybody knows about that of factors. Children, see, we know because we are in 5th standard. So till 4th standard we already studied about the factors and multiples. See the examples of tables. Tables are the multiples because if I want to speak out the table of 2. So what I am saying, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So these are the multiples. Means we can say that the multiple of a number is the number multiplied by any counting number. I can find out, if I have taken example 6 and I want to do multiply by any counting number 3. So this is called a multiple of a number. So the numbers multiplied by any counting number is known as a multiples. Okay children. Now common multiples. What do you mean by common multiples? If I have founded so many multiples of two given numbers, so from them these are numbers. Means common multiples are the numbers that are multiples of 2 or more numbers. Means these are the multiples of 2 numbers or maybe more than 2 numbers. Got it? Now move to the even numbers. Everybody knows about the even numbers. Even numbers are known as the multiple of 2, or we can say that the 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are called the even numbers. So we can say that the numbers which are multiples of 2 are known as even number. Understood? Now move to the odd numbers. Those numbers which are not the multiple of 2, or we can say that numbers which cannot be divided, which cannot be fully divided by 2 is known as the odd numbers. So odd numbers are not the multiple of 2. Okay. Now examples 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These are the odd numbers. Now factor. What do you mean by factor? A factor is a smaller number. Factor is a smaller number that can be divided the given number and remainder should be 0. Or we can say that factor is a very smaller number. It exactly divides the given number and remainder should be 0. Like that I have taken one example 4. Okay. 4 is my dividend and 2 is my divisor. So if I divide 4 by 2, the quotient is 2, means there is no any remainder because 4 is fully divided by 2. So this number is a factor of given number. Understood? What do you mean by factor? A factor is a smaller number that divides exactly any larger number and gives the remainder 0. Understood? Now factorization. This is very important terminology. Factorization means writing a number as a product of its factors, because we know that factors are the exactly divisor of the larger number. So if any larger number is given to us, what we will do? We will write in their factors. So see 24. 24 is a larger number and 2 multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 3, multiply 1. These are the factors of 24, and if I do multiply to all the factors, I will get 24. So see children, factorization means if we write 24 as a product of its factors is known as the factorization. And factorization, let's take one more example like that 36. So see children, 36 is divided by 1 also, 2 also, again 2 also, after that 3 and 3. Means we can say that 1 multiply 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So all these numbers are called factor, but if I arrange the all numbers in product of this number, so it is called a factorization of 36. So we have done factorization. So many methods are of factorization is done. We have already done in 4th standard prime factorization. Okay children. So I'll show one factorization. This is called the prime factorization. Yes children, prime factorization. Now, prime factorization means any composite number is writing as a product of its factors that are prime numbers. Means we can say that, example, you have taken 48. If 48 is divided by 2, 2 is the prime number, so we will start by 2. 2, if we divide 48, it goes 24 times. So 24 2s are 48. Again by 2, it goes 12 times. 12 2s are 24. Again by 2, it goes 6 times. Now 6, again 2. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. See children, these numbers are called the factors of 48. But what I am saying that prime factorization. And prime factorization means 48 is a composite number, and if I arrange all these numbers as a product of the given this number, so we can say that 48 equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply how many times? 4 times. And then 3. So these are the factors, and after multiplying we will get 48. But children, see, these factors are very important because I have written here that are the prime numbers. What do you mean by prime numbers? Prime numbers means if I want to divide all these numbers into very smaller, we can't divide. Means 2, 3, these both the numbers are prime number. Why? Because they can be divided by the number itself and 1. Means we can say that, what do you mean by prime number? Prime number. Prime number is what do you mean by prime number? Prime number is having only two factors. Prime numbers are having only two factors. Only two factors. Which are the factors of prime numbers? 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. How? See, 2. 2 is divided by 2 and 2 is divided by 1. Okay children? So 2 is a prime number. In same way we can say that 3 is also a prime number. What is the meaning of prime number? Prime number should be known as the number which are divisible only by the itself and the 1. Or in the simple way or in easy language we can say that the prime number is having only two factor, not more than two factor and not less than two factor. See children, I have taken example 1. Tell me children, 1 is a prime number? No. We can say that 1 is having only one factor because 1 is divided by the 1. So 1 is not a prime number except 1 remaining the numbers, those who are having two factors, these are known as the prime number. Okay. So if I divide any composite number by the prime numbers, so it can be shown that as a prime factorization. So these are the prime factors, and in this manner 48 is divided, so it is known as the prime factorization. Okay, understood? Thank you.